bother me, Andy. Can't you see I'm busy?
Guess who?
Just like you put on my roof.
You're not going to pull that old gag on me, are you, son? Do you know what I did to the last guy that tried that? Why, I tore him limb from limb! Betrayed! Betrayed! Some fun, eh, Pop? Last one down is a rotten egg. It works. They got me. Get me out of here. Let me out of here. Get me out of here. Help. Help. Get me out. Help. Help. Get me out. Help.
Confidentially, this guy's crazy.
Yeah?
Yeah, he's nuts. We know his whole family. They're all batty. Now take us, for instance. Why, we're different. We're